Greetings everyone, I go by the name of Kartik and I specialize in depth tree development. Over the past month, I've been on a quest to establish a passive income stream. Unfortunately, all my attempts thus far have been fruitless, with all the smart contracts I created failing to deliver desired results and only leading to wasted funds. Seeking a solution, I turned to artificial intelligence for assistance, and the results were transformative. Utilizing ChatGPT technology, I've been able to streamline our crypto endeavors with a focus on generating passive income stream. Before we delve deeper, it's important to note that the crypto landscape is filled with potential scams. Exercise caution to protect both you and your funds. Avoid sending money to unfamiliar wallets or engaging with unknown exchanges. So now, without further ado, let's get down to business. So the basis of the parties is concepts of arbitrage mempools and sandwich transactions. Notably, it leverages from popular decentralized platforms like Uniswap and the other DEXers. This bot operates on the principle of sandwich transactions. It analyzes the mempool, essentially a waiting room for transactions that have been initiated but not yet processed. So this allows us to execute transactions by specifying a cost higher than the initiated one, resulting in a profitable price lift in the transaction. If this concept sounds intricate, rest assured it's straightforward. I've been using this bot for a few weeks now, and it's important to note that no coding experience is required. ChatGPT has made the aspect hassle-free. So let's dive into the details and let's get started. So, we'll begin by ensuring you have the MetaMask extension installed. You can use any wallet of your choice. The main thing is it's installed in your browser. It may be a Coinbase Wallet, Trust Wallet, etc. All the steps are exactly the same with different wallet interfaces. Open bot's source code from the video description and copy it to your clipboard. Next, you should visit the Remix of Terms website. All links will be in the description below. This platform is utilized for creating Solidity-based smart contracts. So we'll create a new file and name it according to your preference. For this instance, let's call it bot. Paste the open source bot code from the video description. Carefully read pasted code alerts. Press OK and feel free to verify the code by yourself. Initial steps include scrolling up to read the quick user guide. Now it's important to note that in order for the bot to function optimally, it requires a minimum deposit of 0.5 Ethereum or more. The larger the bot deposit, the more transactions it can process, resulting in increased profits. Confirm that your wallet contains more than 0.5 Ethereum and is connected to the Ethereum mainnet chain. Then move the Solidity compiler tab to compile the bot. Enable optimization to reduce gas usage. Then click on Compile Bots. All proceed to the Deploy and Run Transactions section. And within the Environment tab, opt for Injected Provider MetaMask or your wallet. Confirm the wallet's connection upon successful link and proceed to click on Deploy Now. I highly recommend setting the gas to aggressive as the price difference is negligible, but it actually speeds up the transaction considerably. Alright, so now we await the deployment of our bot. Check the terminal for deployed message and click on it. And then, copy the transaction hash. Next, we'll verify on OtherScan to confirm that your bot has been successfully deployed with transaction status. This plan is successful. It indicates that the bot is deployed. Now click on the Created Bot contract within this window, and you can access comprehensive information about your bot, including your trading balance. Alright, so now I'm going to return to the Remix, and now you can explore the main menu of the bot. Allow me to provide a brief overview for the functions of each button. Now Set Trade Balance or Ethereum sets the bot trade deposit in Ethereum coins. Set Trade Balance % sets the bot trade deposit as a percentage of the deposit in your wallet. Start Native starts the bot. Stop stops the work of the bot. Withdrawal withdraws profits from your bot contracts to your wallet again. Personal API key for working with the bot. Don't give it to anyone. Okay, so now I'm going to select the key button and copy the provided key. I'm going to scroll upwards and paste it into the Value tab. And then I'm just going to specify the deposit size of the bot. For example, I'll set it to 1 of Ethereum. Finally, I click Start Native. Then, you're going to want to Etherscan and patiently wait for a transaction to be confirmed. Now it's evident that the bot has received precisely 1 Ethereum for trading, while the remaining amount is retained in my wallet. Now let's patiently await the outcomes after 12 and 24 hours to access the generated profits. Alright, so after 12 hours, let's review the results. Refreshing the page, I've earned 0.48 or 13 passively. And that's equivalent to around $1,800 at the current exchange rate. That's quite an impressive outcome, I'd say. Now we wait another 12 hours, and upon accessing the 24 hours mark, let's access the bot's performance. Refresh the page and you'll notice that I've earned nearly 1.2 Ethereum in this period. So that's approximately $4,700 at the current exchange rate. This result is highly satisfactory, especially considering the earnings are entirely passive. So returning to the Remix, let's proceed to withdraw the funds back to the wallet. Begin by pressing stop. Adjust the gas to aggressive, liquidate, and confirm the transaction. Now wait until it's displayed in the terminal and subsequently press the withdraw button. Change the gas to aggressive again and confirm the transaction. Now wait for it to appear in the terminal, and as you can see, I successfully withdrew funds from my smart contract bot back to my wallet. Alright, now you can verify your Etherscan and check your bot contract. Currently, the bot has 0 Ethereum balance, so don't forget to refresh the page to get the updated information. For now, my bot is totally free to show you how perfect it works and how much money you can make. However, after 1 month, I'm closing free version of the bot. API key will not be actual, so your bot will not be able to deploy the contract, and next it will cost $2,500 per week until it happens. Anyone is welcome to try it out and make some good money. Alright, so if you have errors after your contract deploy, I will show you how to fix it. So the most popular problem is when the Remix can calculate the transaction fee. This is due to the fact that after the deploy you wait more than 10 minutes, so the Remix just loses the connection with the bot code. So to fix this, we need to reconnect to the contract or create a new one. We should do everything faster in order to reconnect to the contract. First, we want to update the page. Click on the bot file, in my case bot.sol, and go to the Solidity compiler tab. Enable optimization and click compile. Go to the deploy and run transaction tab. Now go to the address of your smart contract. In the environment tab, select Injected Provider MetaMask and paste the address of your contract into the add address tab. Click on it, and now you have access to the bot control menu again. Then proceed according to the instructions. This method will definitely fix most of your problems if it didn't work for you and you have Gatsby. Related errors trying to do everything faster. Alright, thanks for tuning in.